How to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal.
Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to transfer money from your Cash App account to your PayPal account. This is a question that comes up often, and we're here to provide a simple, step-by-step solution. While there isn't a direct way to do this transfer, there's an easy workaround by using a linked bank account.
Prerequisites.
To transfer money from Cash App to PayPal, you'll need a few things. 1. A Cash App account with money in it. This is the source of the money you'll be transferring. 2. A PayPal account. This will be the destination of the money transfer. 3. A bank account that is linked to both your Cash App and PayPal accounts. This will serve as a bridge between the two accounts.
How to transfer money from Cash App to bank account.
Before transferring money to PayPal, you first need to transfer it to your linked bank account. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Cash App on your phone. 2. Click on the Balance tab in the bottom left corner. 3. Press Cash Out. 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account and press Cash Out again. 5. Choose a deposit speed. Please note that instant transfers may be subject to fees, while standard transfers are free but may take a few business days. 6. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or Touch ID.
How to transfer money from bank account to PayPal.
After transferring the money to your bank account, the next step is to transfer it to your PayPal account. Follow these steps. 1. Log in to your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. 2. Click on Money or Wallet, depending on the interface. 3. Click Transfer Money. 4. Choose Add Money to your balance. 5. Select the bank account you used earlier with Cash App, then enter the amount of money you transferred from Cash App. 6. Click Add, then review and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer money from your Cash App account to your PayPal account using your linked bank account. While it may not be a direct transfer, it's a reliable method that ensures your money moves securely between your accounts. Remember, transactions may take a few business days depending on your bank and the chosen deposit speed. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.